restrictions on the variable for both of these following radical equations. Okay. Well, the issue is what's underneath the radical here. Remember, I need to be taking the square root of a positive value, or 0, in order for this thing to be defined to not be real. So what I need here is I need whatever's under the radical to be greater than or equal to 0. Now, to get the restriction on the variable, I just treat this like an equation, really, and I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So here I'm going to get that x is greater than or equal to -5. And as long as that's true, I will be able to find a solution to that equation. I don't know what it is yet, but whatever the solution is, it will be bigger than or equal to -5. For this one right here, similar sort of thing. It's whatever is under the radical needs to be greater than or equal to 0. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 4 from both sides, and that will get me -x is greater than or equal to -4. Now what I'm going to do is divide to get the x by itself. But because I'm dividing by a negative value, that is going to change the direction of the signs. You probably remember that, but from a while back. So what that does is change the direction of the signs. This becomes -4 divided by -3 is +4/3. So whatever the answer is to this equation here, this radical equation, I know that that value of x must be less than 4/3 for that to work.